Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I will show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. At the first you have to go for the Play Store. Then tap on the right upper corner, tap on this arrow and click to add another account. Use verification method, you can use fingerprint or just simply pattern. Click on the email and right now just input your data. Click next. Then input your password. When you input your password, you have to click next. Oh, wait a minute. Click next. Right now accept this stuff. Click not now. And right now when you open Play Store another time, you will be able to switch between accounts by tapping right here. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.